Sean Diddy Combs' legal team is actively pursuing his release following his conviction on 2 counts related to transportation for prostitution. On July 30, his lawyers filed a motion requesting the court to set aside the verdict or grant a new trial, arguing that the verdict was legally unsupported and constitutionally flawed. Combs, 55, is reportedly the only person convicted under the Mann Act without any commercial motive, coercion, or financial gain. His attorneys emphasized that the jury concluded no prostitutes were trafficked or assaulted, instead engaging voluntarily. The filing criticized the prosecution for allegedly promoting racist origins. In their statement, the defense argued that Combs' sexual expression should be protected under the First Amendment. They asserted that even if the court does not grant an acquittal, a new trial is warranted due to substantial prejudice caused by inflammatory evidence initially permissible only under now rejected RICO and trafficking allegations. The defense concluded that the prosecution was unprecedented, the verdict unsound, and the conviction rooted in an overbroad statute that should not stand. Despite being found guilty on 2 counts, Diddy was acquitted of racketeering and sex trafficking charges. His sentencing is set for October 3. Initially denied bail, his team has filed for release on a $50 million bond, citing his enrollment in a domestic violence program prior to his arrest in this case. Judge Arun Subramanian previously ruled that Combs was a potential danger to any person due to an incident in June 2024. However, his attorneys countered that he is not a flight risk or a danger to the community, highlighting a lack of violent behavior over the past 7 years, aside from the cited incident. Combs' lawyers emphasized the importance of his role as a father, stating, "This jury gave him his life back, and he will not squander his second chance at life." The proposal includes home confinement in Miami, with limited travel and mandatory reporting to the U.S. Pretrial Services Agency, PTS. Diddy would also surrender his passport.